Realme has launched two new 5G enabled smartphones under Narzo series in India called Realme Narzo 50 and Realme Narzo 50 Pro. Among these two, the Realme Narzo 50 Pro is the higher variant with more features. Talking about the specifications, the Realme Narzo 50 Pro features a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with up to 90Hz refresh rate support, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 920 chipset, paired with Mali G68 MC4 GPU. The smartphone packs with 608GB of RAM that can be extended up to 5GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage. In terms of camera, the Realme Narzo 50 Pro supports a triple camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 48MP main camera with a 1.79 aperture plus 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 120° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.4 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 33W dart charging support, and on the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 based on Realme UI 3.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it comes with 5-layer heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions, and it also includes Dolby Atmos plus high-res audio system for better sound experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 160.2 by 73.3 by 8mm, and it weighs around 181 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Realme Narzo 50 Pro has been priced in India for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 21,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 23,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from May 26th in Hyper Blue and Hyper Black color options. So what do you guys think of this Realme Narzo 50 Pro 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to techoob YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.